Hey guys, today we'll be learning about using list and creating a table HTML, which is lesson number 11, class 8, page number 124. Go to that. Alright, so let's get started. So I'm not going very into the chapter, I'm just going to explain what are they and then how to do that program, okay? So coming first, what is an UL or an unordered list? It's nothing but it's just the bullet points when you put for the, as you see in the dedication devotion they have put the bullet points. It can if you just put UL and if you keep on going, there won't be any different UL points, I mean the bullet points. If you want specific bullet points, you can put like UL and square, UL and circle, UL and disk. Disk is a small round which you can see here, that is like very common. So in UL, it's classified into two, ordered list and unordered list, right? This is unordered list, UL is unordered list. Now let's see what is list items. List items is nothing but like when you list items, for example, you're going for a grocery shopping, you want to list your items. It's just a case that you may get in your HTML program that you may do. So they say like list your 5 best friends. So you have to put it in like bullet points, right? For that you have to start first. Obviously you have to put head, for obviously you have to put HTML and then head, and then you have to put your title, and then you just put your title and then close your title. Let the title be my best friends, and then you're coming to the next point, which is you have to close the head, and then you have to open your body, if you body BG color if you want, and the left margin is 100, top margin is 25. Okay, so that is not needed. I'm just we're coming to the point here. So after you're completing all the colors of this, and you can do Marquee or anything. Marquee is nothing. Oh my god, you guys, if you haven't seen my last video, not my last video, my video about HTML, first see that's like the basics. If you can't understand this right now, you guys can go and check that out. It's pretty short video, understandable, everything's there. And now you see after the white, the color after the white is closing, you have to open UL and then list. LI is list items. It will come in points, each point, and LI doesn't have an close tag. It's an empty tag. It doesn't have an open and close tag. It only has an open tag. It closes by itself. It's pretty much like the BR tag, which cuts the line and come to the next part when you put the BR tag. So here, as you guys can see, you have to put LI, and there is no need to close. Just go to the next line, put li. After you complete putting all your points or all your best friends, and then you have to close the UL, and you have to close the font and everything. Like you have to close the colors and everything that you have opened there, and then after that you can close your body and HTML. How simple is that, right? And let's move on. These are the bullet points. The disk is a very common thing. You don't have to put it if you're just not going to put it in the UL. There is only this kind of fully colored circle will come. And if you want it to be specifically a circle, you have to put UL equal to circle, and then you have to put UL equal to square, whatever you want. UL type equal to, in the quotation marks you have to put square, or you can put like circle, and it comes on the way you put it. Okay, let me give you some examples of it. Coming to a new program here, so you can see how to use the type in the types of UL tag. So obviously you have to open your HTML, open your head, put your title, inserting anything can be your title, and then you can open your body BG color if you want. You can do all those stuff, and after you finish that, you have to open UL, and you have to put type circle, type circle or type square. If you don't put any of this, if you just put UL also, that's enough. You will just get a normal disk, which is very relevant when it comes to UL tag. If you don't put anything, you will get a disk. If you want it to be specific, you can put circle or square. Okay, and then what is LI? LI is a list item, right? There is no close tag for LI, so you can just open it and put your points, put and keep it on going, and after you complete that, you have to close your UL, and it's pretty much the same. And then you can close all of the things, and as you can, if you want it to be like 2 brackets, you can again put the size of it, and then you can again start your UL, and you can make it into square, or you can just leave it and it will come as a disk. And then you all again have to put all the LI again and again and again. After you complete all your points, you should again close the UL, close your font, close your body, close your HTML. Whatever you have opened, you always have to close at the end of the HTML. So we saw what is UL, which is the unordered list. Now let's see what is an ordered list. It's not a much big of a difference, you guys. So it's like when you put OL type A, it will come in which is in capital. If you put OL caps A, which is capital A, it will come like capital A, capital B, capital C for every single point. It's like listed ordered list only. It's just that you can get it in like capital A or small a, like your bullet points won't be there. It's like capital A, small a, or like Roman number, or like the 1 1 1 2 1 3 1 4, like that. If you put like oval type 1, you will get 1 2 3 and so on. It's nothing much of a difference, you guys. It's like OL and UL. UL is nothing but UL gets bullet points for you, and OL gets like A, capital A or small a, like your bullet points, and like Roman numbers, and like normal 1 2 3 as your bullet points. It's nothing much because of difference. Okay, I told you about the Marquee Tag. What is that? You all would have seen in like the news. It will like come like breaking news. It will like keep on moving, right? That is pretty much the Marquee Tag. You all can see this is a Marquee Tag. A Marquee Tag, it just moves and displays whatever. It's normally used for the title of it. It just makes it more stand out. So how you are supposed to put a Marquee Tag? You can just open the Marquee Tag, put your whatever your title is, and then you have to close the Marquee Tag, and that's it. You can obviously make your width, set your width of it, set your height of it, and then as simple as that. And normally you can put your color, you can put your BG color, or you can put like font color. You can change your font, you can do anything with the Marquee Tag just as normal. It's normally you have to open the Marquee Tag and close the Marquee Tag. All that's all. This is another thing I told you guys about the OL tag, right, which has only numbers instead of like bullet points. Now let me tell you about this OL tag. So you have to obviously open your HTML, open your head, put your title, and then you can close your head, and then start your body, and then you can all like put all the body BG colors or anything, like the font size and the font type, everything you want. And then after that you have to open OL. For this it's going to be like numbers, or if you want it to be capital A, or like ABC, like capital ABC, or small ABC, or like Roman numbers for 1 2 3, like Roman numbers, like right, Roman numbers. And then for like normal 1 2 3, the numbers that we write, anything can work, you guys. So after you put your OL, you have to put type equal to 1 or any like A or anything. Now you obviously have to start your LI tag, and then keep on putting all your points or anything which is your topic. After that you have to close your OL tag, and then close whatever you have opened, and then that's it. It's as simple as that. And you can even put anything like a mark you, or like done by you, done by anyone, done by your name. You can put it in a mark you tag, so that and it just be good. And then you can obviously close your font, close your body, and close your HTML. Very simple. So in this, it is very easy. It's creating a table. Don't get confused. I assure you guys, you'll definitely understand this. I hope you're taking points so that it will be easy for you. Or just take your textbook and learn with me, okay? So it's very simple. You just have to open your HTML and head, and then title, and then close title, and then close your head, and then open your body, and you can all put this body, top margin, everything like that. After you finish that, you want for like, if you can put like body color like pink, and you can set your left margin and right margin, left margin and your top margin. And then when you want a table, if for example you are putting your scores of your students, for example you are a teacher, you are putting scores of your students, Bindu, Yogesh and Sakshi. So you want to put it in a table and make it neat. So for the table, what you have to do is you have to open table, just the table, open it, and then you have to close that. Open your tr. Don't ask what is a tr and all. It's very just do it. Tr is nothing but when you it's like the BR tag, just like, let's think it of like that. So you have to open the TR and then open TH. TH is the main thing. Just remember that TR will come in the first, TH will come in the next. TH is the main. First you have to put TR, and then after you open the TR, you go to the next line and open TH. TH is like every single part, like S.no dot name dot grades will be like that, right? So what I'm saying here is, the tr just defines for the lines. You guys, after one line is done, you have to put tr. If the line is not done, th is defines for every single word. Let me show you guys. So after you put tr, it defines like the line is starting, and after you put after tr, you should open th, and then you have to put s dot and no, which is there in the picture. I'm just telling regarding the picture. So you can put s dot n1, close th and open th. You can put the name, close th, open th, grades, close th, and then you should close the tr since the line is over. If your line is not over, you should not put tr. It doesn't mean that there should only be like 4 to 5 words or 3 words, nothing like that. You can put how many ever you want. After grades, you close with the th, right? And you can again open the th if there is, supposedly there is marks, and you can put open th marks, close th, and after that you can close tr, and then you can open tr, because there is the next line. After you do all that for your lines, you will come to an end. How should we close it? Very simple. Just close the tr and close the table. I think y'all can see. You have to after you finish, after you close, after you write all the parts of your table, what are you supposed to do? You're just supposed to close your table, close your body, and close your html. As simple as that, as normal as that. I hope you guys understand it. As you are done now you did a very nice table, but you have to make it a total table by creating a border, and you have to make it nice and well. For that, what you're supposed to do is, you have, as you're doing a table here, after you complete all the body margin, left margin, and everything, like the body color, and then you have to put table border, the normal size is 3, it's like pretty good in 3, so and it's normal size is 3, and then if you want the body color, the border, for the border of the margin, if you want the color for it, you can put any color you want. Obviously there are codes, but colors are like writing is the easiest, so you can just put blue, pink, red, anything, just to make the color for the border and to make it more nice. And this does not need a close tag. You can open it and then it will stay forever, that's all. And then after you complete the obviously you have to open td, write 1, close td, and open td, write bindu, close td, open td, write a, close td, and again after the sentence is over, you have to put tr, and then you have to open tr, and then you again have to put td2, close td, yogesh, close td, a, close td. I hope you guys are understanding what I'm saying. After you complete all this, you have to close the tr, close the table, and then close the body and close the html. Let's see what is cell spacing now. It's just the attributes used to specify the distance between the two adjacent cells. It's like the spacing between the cells, okay? It's not the spacing inside. Inside means it's cell padding. Now we're going to see the next. Cell spacing is between the cells. You can see that what is that? The pointing mark, right? That is between the cells. Outside the cells, inside the border, outside the cells. This is called as cell spacing. The spacing between the cells, not the cells. Spacing between the cells is called as cell spacing. Now let's see what is cell padding. Cell padding is inside the cell. You can see it's between the cell, right? What is cell spacing? It's between the cell. Cell padding is inside the column, inside the row, inside each box. It is the cell spacing. If you want, for example, cell spacing that is between the cells, you can put when you are putting the body bg color and like the align everything, you can just put like cell spacing equal to 10 or whatever your wanted sizes is. And it's the same for cell padding too. After you're putting like the table, if for example if you want the you can only do it in table, right? So you have to put a table border. When you open the body, you'll put like table border, body color, bg color, and then after you do that, you can put your cell padding equal to 10 if needed. That's it for cell spacing and cell padding, you guys. Not to mention, you can also put color for your cells, which is inside the cells, which is like cells mean like the inside part of the rows and column, like where you have written the s.no name. So it's like after you open table and everything, you have to put like bg color equal to yellow, bg color equal to pink, bg color equal to anything you want. I mean any color. And that's it, you guys. So you guys, now you can, if you want, as you see, what is HTML? HTML is a wide package that allows users to put text, graphics, and it even allows you to put links. What is that links? It is called as hyperlinks, you guys. So how are we supposed to put hyperlinks in our web document or your web page? It's called as HERFA means AHERFA means anchor. You just put it, you guys. Just you have to know it. So it will like be a link inside your web page. If you touch that link, it will go to another HTML. It's like hyperlink. It's like a linked document. How can you link a document? It's like AHERF equal to the whatever document you have named it, which is result.html in this one. And after that, you have to close the href. You can just close it with the A, which is the anchor tag. You can close it with the A, which is the anchor tag, and then you can like go with everything. But the thing is, you have to do it before writing the HTML, before starting the HTML. After you complete writing, complete typing your HTML, you just have to while you're closing it, there is no need for you to put a half. There is no need to close it. When the place where you started it, you just can close it with an anchor tag. That's all. And then you can normally close it with center body and HTML. That's all. You can normally put like links. You can always put like YouTube links. Anything, any links can be put. But while you're putting the links, you have to start with a half href equal to, in the quotation marks, just the link that you want, and then that's all. So how to get pictures in this beautiful 2014 FIFA World Cup result? But the thing is, you can only get the pictures which are in your folder. So you can save the pictures in your folder and then put it in your HTML. But before that, how are we supposed to do it? First of all, let me tell you that it's very easy. What you're supposed to do is, you normally put all the head, title, HTML, and then you can it is imgsrc. This is the thing. Imgsrc equal to, you have to put, and after that, this is the point, you should go to your folder. So it's like this. After you have to click inside that, and then you'll go to you have to go to pictures. Inside that, there is a lot of stuff like pictures, desktop, and like that. So in that, you have to go to pictures, and then there will be some pictures already there in it, like some dog or anything. After that, you have to go and right click it, and then you'll get like copy, paste, and stuff like that, right? In that, you have to go to the last. You'll see something like properties. In that properties, go and touch the property, and then double click the property, and then you'll see the like the link of the location. There is something like location in it. After you go to the properties, you should click the location and then copy the location, and then you have to put it in your HTML. And then you have to normally proceed, which is like, you have to put the align and anything you need, the picture, however you want the picture to be, and then you just can close the picture, and then close the center, close the body, close the HTML. That's it. Even though this lesson was very big, it was so good. In my opinion, I really liked it so much. You guys can definitely do the recap of the chapter. I'll put pictures of all of them, like the questions. I've already written answers to them, so it'll be easy for you guys. Yeah.